Open figures. The figures which do not begin and end at the same point are called open figures. Examples. In Figure 1, the figure starts at point A and ends at point O. In Figure 2, the figure starts at point B and ends at point P. In Figure 3, the figure starts at point E and ends at point Q. In Figure 4, the figure starts at point D and ends at point R. We have seen that the starting and ending points are separate and not the same for the above figures. These types of figures are called open figures. Complex closed figures. The closed figures which cross themselves at one or more points are called complex closed figures. Examples. In Figure 1, the line segments BC and AD are crossing and meeting at point E. In Figure 2, the line segments PR and QS are crossing and meeting at point X. The above closed figures are called complex closed figures. Interior and exterior of closed figures. In Figure 1 and Figure 2, shaded portions are interior regions of closed figures. And outside the boundaries of Figure 1 and Figure 2, all regions are exterior regions. The exterior regions can extend endlessly in all directions. Curvilinear and linear boundaries. Linear means straight line. The boundaries of closed figures made of straight lines are called figures with linear boundaries. Examples. Triangle, rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram. The boundaries of all the above figures are made of straight lines, so they are called figures with linear boundary. Curvilinear means a curved line. Boundaries of closed figures made of only curved lines are called figures with curvilinear boundary. Examples. The boundaries of all the above figures are made of curved lines, so the figures have curvilinear boundaries. There are some shapes which have boundaries made up of both straight lines and curved lines. Examples. Curvilinear, linear, cylinder, curvilinear, linear, cone. Polygons. Poly means many. A rectilinear figure bounded by 3 or more sides is called a polygon. It is a closed figure made up of line segments only. There can be many line segments to make a polygon, but minimum number required is 3 line segments. Examples. Triangle. A polygon made up of 3 sides. Rectangle. Square. A polygon made up of 4 sides. Pentagon. A polygon made up of 5 sides. Hexagon. A polygon made up of 6 sides. Angle. When two rays meet at a common point, the meeting point is called a vertex. The gap created by the rays is called an angle. Each ray is called an arm. Symbol of angle is. Example. In the above figure, A. OA is a ray. B. OB is also a ray. C. Both OA and OB are arms. D. O is the vertex. A. The gap created by ray. O, A and OB is angle AOB or angle BOA. Interior and exterior of angle. Example. Points O and Q are within the space of angle YXZ, so these points are in the interior of the angle. Example. Points A, B and C are outside the space of angle Y, X, Z, so these points are in the exterior of the angle. Example. Points E, F, G, H lie on the angle, therefore they are part of the angle YXZ. Adjacent angles. Two angles which have a common arm are called adjacent angles. Example. Angle AOC and angle COB have common arm OC. So, angle AOC and angle COB